good morning to you. We've had clear skies for the first half of the night, allowing temperatures to tumble, but the second half of the night will see cloud gathering from the west, bringing with it some rain and a pretty miserable start to the day. A wet one for many of us, and with the cold air around, that rain will start to turn to snow. So for the morning commute for much of central, southeastern Scotland and eastern England, a fair bit of sleet and snow around. Above, say, 200 metres, we could see 2 to 5 centimetres. Above 400 metres, we could see up to 10 centimetres of snow. Trans-Pennine routes could see some snow accumulating, even some sleet and snow to lower levels. So some really miserable and quite tricky driving conditions first thing on Tuesday morning. An overcast, wet start through southern counties of England, heavy rain across the Midlands, raining through much of the early hours across the southwest of England, but slowly easing off as we head through to around about 7 or 8 in the morning. Heavy rain continues across Wales, overcast skies here, extensive hill fog with that as well. For Northern Ireland, where it would have been raining for much of the night, slowly that rain will start to ease off through the first part of Tuesday morning. But for much of Tuesday morning, we continue with this rain, sleet and snow mix along these eastern coasts. A very miserable day to come here, because even once the snow stops and it turns back to rain, without the sunshine, temperatures really struggle 3 or 4 degrees. It will feel pretty raw. Milder areas pushing in from the west, 10s and 11s from the west, but extensive hill fog and fairly damp and drizzly around those western coasts. Through the night, we see this milder air spreading right across the country. So actually, through eastern areas, temperatures will slowly climb as we head through the night. A dull one, yet again, grey, misty conditions around these western coasts, but a mild night to come here. For Wednesday, we have a weather front sitting across northwestern areas. It'll be wet here, very windy as well. Wet weather will slowly push across northwestern parts of England and Wales, and with saturated ground, it could lead to the risk for some localised flooding. So it's mild on Wednesday. That all changes. This cold front sinks southwards for Thursday. This will allow cold and northwesterly winds to filter across the UK. Sunny spells and scattered showers, some of them with a wintry mix, even across the hills of Wales and perhaps into southwest England. So a tumble in temperatures by Thursday, 7s and 8s. And it will be a cold, frosty night, so a chilly start on Friday, again with some sunny spells but feeling colder.